Then let's go. So this is a new BIQU office, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just moved here yesterday.
So please guide me through.
So in the back,
Yep.
the first lane is our support team. And over here is our sales team. Well, I guess all of this is our sales team.
Oh, okay. This is huge.
Yeah. And then those are marketing. So all of the social media posts, everything is from them. And then the last row on the back is our designers. So that makes all of our posters and product pages and everything like that. Yeah.
So this here is like a showcase area, will be?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We also occasionally have staff just come here and print for fun.
Oh.
These are like accounting and like that's Eric's office.
Shall we?
I don't think he's in. Is he in there?
So this is Alec. Sorry for messing around your busy time. So as you can see, this Clipper screen is still in beta, and they are working on to make it easier to integrate with a Clipper-based machine. At least like a more like plug and play for the major printers like Volons and so on. So I'm looking forward to see it.
Oh. So I'd like to know more about Panda Knomi.
Yes, so Panda Knomi is our adaptation of our Knomi little screen on the A1 printers.
Yep.
And it'll be a clip-on mod where you can just take the whole house and just replace the original front cover. And it'll just need a power source of 24 volts, I think. Yeah, so it's just 24 volts in, and then everything else is connected via Wi-Fi.
This is good. This is good. This is really good. So this will be Panda Edge.
Yep.
Oh.
So all of the product that we have for Bambu printers is Panda.
Oh. And this can stick with the
Magnet
housing. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Love it.
So this will just go on like that. Well, I guess it's missing a magnet, but it's
Because this
it'll
is this Panda fur.
right there.
Oh. Cool, cool.
So it'll just be like that.
Since they just moved into the office, I hope next time I can see more new projects. See ya! Don't forget to subscribe.